Alright, here we have our Lone Star Grillz mini insulated vertical smoker. This smoker is built identical to our large insulated smoker. Difference is that the outside dimensions on this one are going to be 25 inches front to back, 24 inches left to right, and 4 feet top to bottom, excluding the smokestack and excluding the wheels. These are our standard wheels that come with this unit. We have 5-inch, 1,000-pound capacity casters. 2 of them are swivel, 2 of them are rigid. They are cast steel with a polyurethane wheel wrapped around them so they don't mark up patios and pool decks and things like that. Lockable slam latches. This pit here happens to be a custom painted pit. Standard pits are going to be high heat black, 4 to 5 coats. For our custom paint options, we use a matrix single stage automotive finish. Our standard colors are available online on our color chart. And then we can also match it to any of their colors in their product line or any automobile colors. We just need an automobile code. This pit's also outfitted with several other of our upgrades. We have our handle here, which makes it easy for moving around the patio or to and from competitions. We have our tie-down rings, which make it nice hauling it around, strapping it down. Our large folding table, which is 20 inches wide, 24 inches deep front to back, same size as on our large smoker, and that does fold down and tuck out of the way, just lays right up next to the pit. Tie-down rings on the opposite side. All our pits come with our 1.25 inch drain valve. It also comes with a 2-inch valve to control your air intake. The 2-inch valve is easily adaptable to any of the thermostatically controlled fan devices with a 2-inch ball valve adapter. And your pit probes go right inside through the door without harm to any of the wires, without harm to any of the gaskets. Because our doors are face mounted, there are no sharp corners there, and that seal will conform around the wires. So you can put your you can put your probe in at the top, you can put it in at the bottom, no difference. We don't have to have the need for any portholes with complicated grommets that wear out and leak smoke. These pits are 100% seam welded all the way around, inside and out. There are no pop rivets holding the boxes together. There are no screws holding this together. This unit is solidly constructed, 100% seam welded inside and out from 11 gauge steel. That's 1/8 inch thick. 5x5 smokestack. Damper controls fully adjustable. The spring here for tension on it to keep it tight and adjust it where you want it. Unique to our pits, same as on our large one, is a water fill feature that's plumbed into the drain pan. So you can add water directly from the outside to the inside without ever having to open the door. Another unique thing about the way we've designed this is that once the water gets to about half full, a small amount of smoke will escape back out of here, letting you know that your water pan has dropped to about 50% or less capacity, allowing you to easily add more water to the inside without ever opening the door on the outside. Comes with our standard custom temp gauges made in USA. 304 stainless skins on the doors, those are standard. Kind of zoom back here and give you a idea of what it looks like next to our large smoker. And you can see how much smaller and compact the mini is compared to our large one there. The heights of the smokers are the exact same, meaning that when we open this door here, the space between each rack is still 5¼ inches on each, 5¾ inches in between each of the 4 slide out racks. This smoker is based around 1 full-size pan fitting on each rack comfortably, whereas our large smoker will accommodate the 2 pans per rack. 1¼ by 1/2 inch thick high temperature seals around the doors. We attach our seals with a picture frame steel gasket to hold those seals in place. Those are just screwed in with a Phillips screw, so if and when you need to change that seal out way down the road, anybody with a Phillips screwdriver or a screw gun can take that out easily. More of the seamless construction all the way around the doors. Firebox here. So we have a slide out firebox here. CNC, everything is CNC cut, but we CNC etch these ventilation gaps in there to allow for proper airflow inside here. We don't weld the bottom of the firebox grate in, that way it can be replaced in the future. That'll be the first thing that needs to be replaced, and instead of making you buy this whole assembly from me, you can go to any hardware store in America and buy another piece of expanded metal and be back in a couple hours max back in business. You notice that we've got an integrated ash can that also slides completely out. You'll notice also how when I slide out the firebox, the pan comes out as well. That catches any embers, any dust, dirt, debris from falling on your patio. So you can slide that out completely, add more fuel if you need to. Nothing's going to fall down on your patio because everything slides out as one unit. Not shown in this video here or T-plates. Those are also an option, which allow you to have the minion method inside the firebox, and also a heat deflector plate which goes up underneath the water pan, allowing the flames, heat, and smoke to wrap around the water pan, not directly heating the water but indirectly, which will allow for a slower consumption of water and using water in the water pan at much higher temps than normal. Kind of get a shot of the 1/4 inch thick water pan. It's 1/4 inch thick carbon steel, which holds the heat really nice, balances everything out. Some of the thin pans, I've even seen some water pans made out of hotel pans. Those don't hold heat. All they do is heat passes right through it. So you have no real benefit, whereas this hits it and is a very, very large heat sink, which helps distribute the heat, maintain the heat, and gives us a very fast recovery time when we open and close the door. Also built to last a lifetime with the 1/4 inch thickness. So that's our Lone Star Grillz mini insulated vertical smoker. Check us out at LoneStarGrills.com for more information, or give us a call 936-539-1319. Thank you.